Hello viewers, my name is Imran and I hope you are well. I'm going to show you how to perform inventory on large number of computers, laptops and servers. So if you have a large number of computers, such let's say if you have got 1000 systems and you want to capture all the information without installing any operating system or without installing any software onto those desktops, laptops and servers. So you can capture all the serial numbers, the serial number of the chassis, serial number of the motherboard, and serial number of the RAM, the hard drive, all the component information, such as graphic cards, the wireless network adapter, the network adapter, and all that information. The processor information, such as which generation the processor is it i7, i5, 13 gen, 12 gen, 10 gen. So you can get all that information from multiple systems in one go. So let's say if you have 1000 system and you want to capture all that information, you can do that within 2 or 3 minutes and without installing any software and without even touching the keyboard. So let me show you how this exactly works. Okay, so we have the screen you see on your screen, this monitor. This is NIS server, automated network inventory server. So we have a barcode printer, a ZPL thermal label printer. As you can see, we have printed quite a few barcodes. So here we have one of the management console. So this can be a laptop, desktop with Windows operating system and a web browser. So we use a web browser to access this software. So the address is 192.168.1.253, and this is the dashboard. So other than these two systems, we have one of the laptops. We can have multiple laptops, but right now I don't have space on my desk. So I'm going to demonstrate this inventory procedure with one laptop and these two desktops. So those two monitors you see, these are the desktop monitors. So let's begin the inventory process. So this laptop doesn't have a physical port. You can see on the both sides, it's got only USB ports. So because it's so slim, so it doesn't have any um, the Ethernet port. So what we're going to do, we're going to boot this system from the USB flash drive, and we have the boot menu right in front of us. So we're going to select boot from USB flash memory. So what it will do, it will boot from the USB and then it will transition to the Wi-Fi, the wireless network automatically. So all we have to do just boot it from the USB. So that's booting. And the next system, we have this desktop here. So we're going to select onboard NIC IP version 4. And the other system we have here, that's also a desktop. So we're going to boot that one from IP version 4. So that's booting up. So as you can see, this one is showing it's booting up, is communicating. You can see this. So the whole process, the booting process, takes less than 1 minute and it will automatically print. So let's go back to the laptop. So you can see it's transitioning to the Wi-Fi. It's looking for the Wi-Fi network. It found it and now Wi-Fi connect is okay. So while it's doing that, you will see the label will print automatically. So this is our thermal label. So you can see this label has printed automatically. So we can, on the desktop, is printed automatically for the desktop as well. Um, so let's take this label and put it onto the laptop because it belongs to the laptop. And on the dashboard, you can see the quantity has increased. So the total inventory items has gone up. So previously they were 858. Now we perform inventory on two systems, so it's gone up to 860. So let's take the barcode label for the desktop, and we can paste it here. So this is one of the desktops. So you can see this is Core i7 12 Gen 512 GB, and this thing is done. So let's install operating system on one of the desktops. So you can see we have few options here. So the last option is to start NIS OS image software. So I'm going to press key I so we can begin installing um, the operating system. So I pressed I. Now we have this option. Press OK. So it's asking what you want to do. Do you want to capture the OS image or you want to deploy the OS image? So we're going to select deploy OS image and select the image you want to install. So we have a universal image that works on most of the Dell laptops. So I'm going to select 5070. So let's select that. OK, OK, OK. Select the hard drive. So this one has 512 GB NVMe. Select that. OK. Yes, yes. And there you go. So it's installing the operating system. The whole process from the beginning of inventory, which takes less than 1 minute, and installing the OS takes approximately 3 to 4 minutes. So you can see the estimated time to completion is 3 minutes. Less than 4 minutes. So depending on the speed of the NVMe drive or the hard drive and the speed of your network. For now, I have gigabit network. So if you have 10 gigabit or 40 gigabit, it's going to be lightning fast, very, very fast. So maybe you can install operating system on multiple desktops and laptops. So let's say if you have 100 system, you may be able to install all 100 systems with Windows less than 2 minutes if you have high speed network. So the other system is still booting up. This one is done, and this is how you do it. So, okay, so you can see the other system is nearly done, and it will print the barcode as well automatically. There you go. So the barcode is printed for the other system as well. So let's take this one and put it onto the other desktop. Sorry. There you go. So put it onto the other desktop. Okay, so now we have installed operating system. This one is nearly done. So less than 52 seconds to go, and we'll have the Windows, all the drivers fully ready to go. So let's install Windows on this one because this one is older gen. I think this one is 6th gen, so it's quite old. So I'm going to install Windows 10 on it. So let's do that. So we have all the systems available in the report. What information you can see? We have vendor, category, serial number, screen size in inches, and screen maximum resolution, motherboard, CPU, the serial number for the motherboard, and the processor information, Core i7, 5, cores, threads enabled, and all that. And then we have processor speed, processor bits and RAM, DDR3, DDR4, the size of the RAM, the manufacturer of the RAM, and the serial number. If you have, let's say, 4 modules of RAM in one system, it will give you the serial number for each module and the manufacturer information for each RAM module. So going further on the right hand side, we have plenty of more information, and you can see we have all the components on the motherboard, so that's displayed here as well. Then we have storage controller, then we have hard drive information, size of the hard drive, the serial number of the hard drive. So you can have up to 4 hard drives in one system, and this inventory system will detect it automatically. Going further down on the right hand side, we can see we have CD, DVD information, display adapters, network adapters, wireless adapter, multimedia, sound card, webcam, and we have the battery information. In the battery information, we have information such as, is the battery installed? Yes. Is the battery lithium? Yes, battery is lithium. The manufacturer of the battery, the firmware, the serial number of the battery, and battery is charging or discharging, or what the battery is doing, the design capacity of the battery, and the battery remaining capacity, energy rate, battery voltages, and battery remaining life. So you know exactly how the battery is in the laptops. So we have all that information on your fingertips. So you can see we started the OS installation, and it's done. So it's configuring the OS automatically, configuring all the region information. When you install brand new operating system, it asks you all the information like your region, UK or US or whatever. then you have to select, do you want to create your user account? So it's doing all that automatically. So all we did, we just select which OS image we want. So, we didn't touch the keyboard other than, booting the system into the network. And also, we just install the operating system. And, once this is done, it will log into the Windows and it's ready to ship. So on the other side, we install Windows 10. Windows 10 is getting ready as well. So you've seen we haven't used the USB sticks. We didn't download Windows from Microsoft website. It's all fully automated. So you can see the reports are there. So let me give you one example. You see this laptop here. This laptop has already equipped with the operating system. So let's say if we want to sell this laptop on eBay, it's pretty straightforward. You don't have to write any description or any titles, nothing at all. All you have to do is just scan this barcode into the management system. It will push this system and the specification to eBay automatically. So let me show you how to do that. Before I show you that, you can see the Windows is fully installed and it's ready to go. And on the other side, Windows 10 is installed and ready to go as well. So that was Windows 11 and this one is Windows 10. So yeah, all pretty well done. So on this side, let me show you how to, if you want to sell a system on eBay, how you can do that. So go to the home page of the management console, scroll down all the way down. You can see there's quite a few options that you can see here. So we have inventory dashboard, we have OS imaging and capturing dashboards. There's quite a bit of information. So OS imaging, then start inventory, detailed report, brief reports, audit report. So we're going to go into audit report. And we will use, you can see this one is a scanner, the 2D scanner. So we're going to scan. We scan that and we can see we have the information available in the management console. So scroll down all the way and you can see we have already uploaded the photos of this specific laptop. So because we will be pushing this laptop to eBay, so eBay needs photos. So let me show you how to upload the photos. So scroll all the way down on the home page, go to photos and images. Sorry, I'm talking a bit faster because I want to finish this video. I don't want the video to be too long. So yeah, go click on upload photos and then you scan the serial number with the barcode scanner. We scanned it and then we have all the information available for that specific system. Then click choose files and you choose your files that you want to upload. Let's say we want to upload this one and these four images, and select open and simply click on upload images. So that's how you upload. So going back to the audit, because we want to push this system to eBay. So we're gonna scan the barcode. Okay, that's done. So you see the information audit report for that specific serial number, and there's a button called push to online eBay. Click that button. And all you have to do, choose your account. So there's 3 accounts already pre-configured. These are the eBay accounts. So you can choose the template, all the information that you have to choose, and then decide the price. So we're going to sell this system for 499 British pounds. The weight of the system is 5,000 grams, which is 5 kg, and the quantity is 10. So we have 10 of these systems, and you can write down some special notes. So let's say this laptop has one key broken. So we can say keyboard key A is broken, right? Okay, so all we have to do, just click submit and it will be pushed to. Okay, so you see we have the eBay listing result is success. We can go click on view eBay listing on eBay, and you can see we have all the photos that we uploaded, right? And we have the description, the title of the advert on eBay. So all the information is 100% correct. So the price we have written on was 499. If you scroll down, you can see we have the item specifics already pushed automatically. So look at the template. So we have, Dell, Latitude, blah, 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 256 GB convertible and condition and, what you get and full technical specifications. All the information is there. Ports and connectivity, key features and benefits, shipping and services, why buy from us. And remember, we wrote that information, the specific information. Keyboard key A is broken. So that information is displayed as well. So you see how easy it is to do the inventory and manage the whole process. You can run a very big, massive warehouse with this system. You can create boxes, create box labels, so you know exactly what's inside the box. You can create pallets, you can create pallet labels, you can create truckloads, you can also create truck labels. So when you sell a box to a customer, or let's say one system to a customer, you know exactly what you're selling, what that system contains, the serial number of each and every component, and it's all fully automated. You haven't done anything manually. So this system is very good for the companies such as ITAD, IT recycling companies, and any shop owners who runs computer businesses, and for the other companies that deals with the computers, laptops, every day. So guys, this is the information that I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, write a comment in the video, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.